Air conditioning installation and heat installation. Air conditioning installation and heat installation are one of the most important home appliances that need to be set up in a house. It is important to understand how important air ventilation is to a house and how to heat your house evenly, especially during winter months. Generally, when building a house, the engineers will take into consideration the HVAC, heating, ventilation and air conditioning requirements already. For heating units in your home and for most buildings, engineers will often use gravity to circulate the air. Furnaces usually are placed at the bottom of a building with ductwork constructed to carry the heat to the upper floors. As the air starts to cool on the upper floors, it will automatically be moved back down to the furnaces by gravity. By using such as a theory, it can help save power bills and still be able to heat and cool the entire home or building easily. To install a furnace, you need to get a licensed electrician or a certified plumber, as incorrectly installed ones can pose a danger to its occupants. So make sure to get a certified air conditioning and heating electrician to do the job. For all air conditioners and heating equipment, proper air venting is important. It is not only to improve the efficiency of your air conditioner or heater but also because of safety. A heating system can produce dangerous toxic gases such as carbon monoxide, which can pose great danger if it is not redirected out of your house or building through properly installed air ventilation ducts. Air ventilation ducts can also help redirect the heat away from the house to help improve the efficiency of your air conditioner unit. Without proper ventilation, your air conditioner is just wasting energy compensating for the hot air it is generating. Learn more about the new windowless air conditioners. http://www.airconditioningfilters.net/windowlessairconditioners.html, at My Air Conditioning Filters, http://www.airconditioningfilters.net, site. Article source, https://ezinearticles.com/expert/Ricky_Lim/31848